Said Molly to Red James, that's a fine motorbike. Girl could feel special on any such like. Said James to Red Molly, well, my hat's off to you. To Vincent, Black Lightning, 1952. And I've seen you at the corners and cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color schemes. And he pulled her on behind and down to Box Hill they did ride. Said James to Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand. And I'll tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I fought with the law since I was 17. I robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21 years, and I may make 22. And I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, called Sergeant McRae. They've taken young James Addy for armed robbery. Shotgun blast hit his chest, left nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road and he was running out of breath. But he smiled to hear her cry. Said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Said young James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a Vincent 52 and a red-headed girl. Now Nortons and Indians and Grievuses won't do. They don't got a soul like a Vincent 52. And he reached for her hand and he slipped her the keys. Said, I don't have any further use for these. I see angels on aerials, leather, chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. He gave her one last kiss and he died. And he gave her his Vincent to